My life's torn in four days, and I pray that you would open wide the doorway of your heart. I fear to tell you what's been growing deep inside of me. My love became alive, a life that needs a love greater than my own. This child needs a home. She needs more than I could ever give. This child needs a father's love. This child needs a father. Me, I'm nothing. Me. When I was very young, we used to take our sleds out in the snow, and the only hills we had were the ice-covered stone steps of some house down the street. We'd fill it up with snow, make it real smooth, and slide down it all day long. It's very dangerous, you know. Far too steep. And, well, sure enough, someday a kid named Rufus came sliding down those steps far too fast into the sidewalk. We saw his face split open right there in front of us. I remember standing there looking at his bloody open face and thinking that was the end of Rufus. But the ambulance came, took him to the hospital. They fixed up his broken bones and sewed him up. Next time I saw Rufus, he just had one line down the middle of his face. I never got over that. That was what one human could do for another. Could fix him up, sew up his problems, make him all right again. That was the most marvelous thing in the world, and I wanted to do that. I always thought it was the most concrete thing in the world one human being could do. Fix the sick and make them whole again. That was truly being great. No, I wanted to cure. It used to be so important to me. I wanted to cure. I used to care. It used to matter. I mean, about people and how their bodies hurt.